Hello, friends. As festivals are nearby, you must have heard the different competitions arranged by the societies and the schools. And one of the competition is shloka chanting. So today we are going to discuss about what is shloka and what is the importance of shloka chanting. In ancient Sanskrit language, word shloka means song, derived from the root shru, meaning hear. From a very early age, we want our children to learn good values. In addition to concern for our child's physical health, we also worry about their mental health. Our Indian tradition has provided us with shlokas that address all the aspects of parenting. As shloka education is now accessible to everyone, we should educate our future generations about its importance as well. We can instill good values in our kids through shlokas. Children and elders alike can benefit from chanting shlokas. In terms of training children's senses, staying grounded and becoming emotionally strong is the most important benefit of shlokas for kids. Our shlokas have hidden meanings that are crucial to our science and practices in this day and age. It is believed that chanting shlokas help boost the immunity system of a child naturally. According to research, reciting shlokas can also improve the child's mental health and help them live a stress free, balanced life. There is no need to be a master in order to practice shlokas effectively. Encourage your children to make mindfulness a habit and a way of life to improve their concentration. Here are a few benefits your kids can gain from chanting shlokas every day. Let's take a quick look at what it offers. The first benefit is it enhances the memory power. Children's intellects are sharpened through shloka chanting. In addition to helping the brain stay sharp and focused, recitation increases systematic breathing and supplies additional oxygen. The brain stays active and flexible by learning new languages through shlokas. Chanting shlokas improves concentration and enables students to ignore the distractions more effectively. With the language centers in the brain being so flexible, learning a second language strengthens your brain's natural ability to focus and develop new areas in your brain. The second benefit is chanting helps in healing. A person's morning routine impacts their entire day. Thus, waking up happy and positive is very important. When chanted in the morning in response to the vibrations in the shlokas, the chakras are activated and calmed along with the improvement in concentration and memory. Chanting shlokas generates rhythmic vibrations that have a therapeutic and harmonious effect on the body. When a shloka is chanted for kids, vibrations are released that relieve pain. Additionally, it enhances metabolism. The third benefit is strengthen the language learning. Recitation of Sanskrit shlokas may help children learn other languages as it is the mother tongue of all languages. As a result of learning the language, critical thinking skills, language comprehension, and verbal memory retention skills have all been improved. Sanskrit can also improve a child's reading comprehension and speed, particularly if they learn it at an early age. The fourth benefit is it helps in stress management. In addition to boosting the immune system, shloka recitation is a natural way to do so. When the tongue is pressed on the vocal cords and connects to the brain regions, the immune system is boosted, along with the proper breathing techniques which helps children stay stress-free and lead a healthy life. Chanting also lowers blood pressure and heart rate. It is common to find cultures and civilizations that follow traditional styles in many countries. The way we live is revealed by our traditions. We all know how important morning rituals are to our daily schedule. A happy morning will make us feel positive and energetic throughout the day. In order to appreciate our nature and surroundings, you should pray and show gratitude. Both internal and external diseases can be cured by shloka. It heals your body and soul. It is beneficial for your child's mind to listen to shlokas. Their thoughts are relieved and purified. Other emotions such as anger, aggression, and stress can be reduced by this technique. Shloka chanting modifies the functions of the internal organs. In addition to gaining inner peace, chanting shlokas soothes the mind and extends the positive energy. Positive vibes are attracted to an environment where holy mantras are chanted and shlokas are listened to. With this, I end my topic, the importance of chanting shlokas. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day.